Welcome. This is a beginner-friendly 5-minute Pilates core workout. Be sure to stay in balance by following up with the video I recommend at the end of this one to stretch the core and feel your best. Let's begin laying. And just connecting with the breath here. We're going to draw the breath into the upper body, into the chest, into the rib cage. As you exhale, drawing and pulling the navel in towards the spine, engaging the core here. If you'd like to really connect with the breath, you can place your hands on your rib cage. Feel yourself drawing the breath into that area. With each exhale, pulling the navel, the belly button towards the spine, keeping that core engaged throughout the entire practice. If you feel like this is going a bit too fast, feel free to slow the video or pause it. Take your time. When you're ready, we'll go ahead and bend the knees. Plant the feet on the mat, about hip width distance. Beginning with some pelvic tilts. On an inhale, peeling the tailbone off the mat. Gently coming up the spine, one vertebrae at a time. Very slight movement here. As you exhale, one vertebrae at a time once again, all the way back down towards the mat. Maybe envisioning squashing a grape as you release the spine back down towards the mat, one vertebrae at a time. We'll continue this a few more times. Perfect. Preparing for our curl ups. Core is engaged, interlacing your hands behind your head as you peel the upper back up, hovering the tips of the shoulder blades over the mat. Chin lowers slightly, lengthening through the back of the neck. Flowing with the breath here. Inhale to lower. On an exhale, peeling the upper back off the mat so that the tips of the shoulder blades gently graze the mat. Keep this going, flowing with the breath. Perfect. Gently release. Take a moment. Take as long as you need. And we'll meet up in tabletop pose, lifting the left knee and then lifting the right. Peeling the upper back off the mat, cradle the back of your head, lengthening through the back of the neck. We'll go ahead into our toe taps, tapping the right foot and then tapping the left. Keeping the upper back elevated here. All the work is in the core. Gently release the hands, reaching the hands forward. Keep this posture for our single leg stretch. Go ahead and grab the right leg, straighten the left. Alternating legs here. Continue moving with the breath. Inhale one leg, exhale the other. Perfect. And when you're ready, hug the knees into chest. Give yourself a big hug here. Take a moment. Option to stay right here or go ahead and grab the outer edges of the feet, coming right into happy baby pose. Option to rock side to side. And we'll gently release. Give yourself one good hug here, one last hug. Then we'll take the feet to the bottom of the mat, hands to your sides, palms facing up, preparing for Shavasana. Taking this one moment out of our day, out of our practice to just be and to soak up all the work you just did. Feeling the body in its fully relaxed and present state. Notice how the body feels and the difference you feel from when you first began this practice to right now in this very moment. Acknowledge how strong you are. And know that this time, this space is here for you anytime that you need. We'll gently begin to wake up the body, wiggling the fingers and toes, rocking the head. When you're ready, we'll roll over towards our right. Full inhale. Exhale. We'll gently come to a comfortable seat. Inhaling the hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.